AFKing thieving. It's leagues time, and what can I say? I'm playing this leagues. Crazy to think. I've never played leagues before, and yeah, haven't really had time for leagues, but I really wanted to get going, so I AFK'd here for the longest time possible. It's day 2. Alright. Every task has to do some with agility, I guess. I'm working towards agility so I can do some laps at Varrock. Have to do a lot of tasks, some easy tasks. They are all really easy, but yeah. Some are also very dumb, so I don't know what's up with that. Punching a chicken is a task. Come on! You can do it! There we go. Another league task. Found Trump. Now I have to accept him. Sorry, I have no money for you. Alright, dog, it's your end. This task is super dumb. Let's chop this tree for a task, specifically this tree, in the potato field. So drinking a beer in here is a league's task, and probably killing a barbarian. Man, why did I pick the ranger? Killing one of these goblins with a spear is a task. League's task! Let's go, boy! Man, that's a 3rd animal. How many keys do I have to bring you? It is a league's task. There's a league's task to kill a cow with 1 hit. Woo! We hit it! Chop a canoe and go to the Champions Guild. And it is! And it's my tier 3 relic unlocked! As many say, this is the best tier 3 relic. Let's collect Club Compass.
League's task completed.
Oh boy. 200 points for a level 90. I think this is also a task, right?
League's task completed.
Yeah. I wanted to do this challenge a long time ago.
League's task completed.
There we go. In my inventory there are caskets. Finally open it and hope for some league points. I really need them.
League's task completed. League's task completed. Completed.
Subscribe it.
League's task completed.
Let's hunt for the collection log slots. We need still 2, so let's be lucky. Another casket. Are we done?
League's task completed.
We are done! Nice! We have Vampire Slayer, which is absolutely needed because my attack is so low. Honestly, too easy.
League's task completed. League's task completed.
So I got leagues points for completing Vampire Slayer, and I got league points for reaching over 500 total, which I absolutely doomed over. Oh, it took ages to kill it. This crate to fill bananas. I need 20 points. And yeah, let's fill it.
League's task completed.
And it's a 10-point task. And yeah.
League's task completed.
Let's get the last task done. Relic 4 by eating a banana. Yes, mate. Alright, so we can choose. We can choose our next relic. Man, it's... It is not even a question. We are going golden gods like... Nah. I'm not even showing you the other 2 options. Golden gods. I really needed that. And of course, we have unlocked another mastery. And we are going again with melee. I'm currently not really on melee build, but this will come. I'm trusting my plan. So on mastery points, we defeated 10 monsters with a combat of 100 or higher. Those here, you can say spot them. Took me a while. Got me conveniently to High Alk. And yeah, now we can use Golden Boy and expand our money. Alright. Yes, purple locks. This is a task, right?
League's task completed.
Of course it is. I hit level 50 combat while high alking for magic. I'm 72 man. I'm 72 magic now. Where did this come from? I can't tell you where this comes from. It came from high alking. I wanted to kill a guard on day 1 and it almost bested me. Now I'm coming here for my revenge.
League's task completed.
Hey, we have a medium casket. And we hit 81 magic, by the way. Alright.
League's task completed.
Nice. It is League's task to complete 1. And we get some weird stuff. Like some very weird stuff. Alright, since I have the golden god, here we have it. 43
League's
prayer.
task completed.
There we have it!
League's task completed.
And we get a Scurious Pine, like, right off the bat. Nice. That's huge. Right, since we killed Scurious, we can pick melee number 3. Alright, how much for an Onyx? Bargain.
League's task completed.
Bargain, and 200 points is just super nice. But let's pick this pineapple.
League's task completed.
And there's another League's task. Right, bigger one. Pay 1 million.
League's task completed.
And it's 200 points. Beef. And no, not eat it. Oh, fuck. Use it again.
League's task completed.
Perfect. So there's a task to get 30 in a row without mistakes.
League's task completed.
So I casually got 95 magic in here. And this was a 200 point task. Alright, I have my 800 vouchers. And we go for the Pirate's Hook. Finally get it done. Man, why do I have to know it? Like...
League's task completed.
Alright, 400 points for this one. And I'm now in the tier 5 relic. And it's a tough one. It's a tough one. They are all looking good. Alright, I'm certain now. With Clue Compass, we take the treasure trails. So we can get more points with clue scrolls and collection log slots. Yeah, I think it sounds good. Alright, the original plan was the Gilded Altar, but I have to unlock a region. It's probably a region that I want to pick, but still not picking it yet, because I'm still keen to do a lot of tasks without picking a region. So I'm doing a Limestone Altar, will probably work fine. 4.6 million XP an hour by not doing anything in prayer gaining is perfect. It's the best relic choice. Now I'm just chilling I'm going to cook, going to eat. I'm leveling my prayer in the background. When I'm coming back, I'm like close to 90 prayer. I can see that. Alright, we are 93 prayer. We are even close to 99 mage by simply AFKing.